Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Now, I can buy full replacement.
Full replacement.
Now, I can also buy, I can run the risk.
Actual cash value.
And do actual cash. Okay.
Yep. So the difference there is most people are going to want full replacement. If your TV gets stolen from your home or damaged, right, you're not going to want that 1995, right, big screen TV that you maybe just lost. You're going to need to have it replaced. There's no way to go back in time. So they're going to replace it with like, kind, and quality. Right? So they might not make that TV anymore that's back from 20 years ago, right? 30 years ago. So they're going to replace it with something that's like, kind, and quality, or replacement cost. What does it cost to actually replace that item in today's dollars? Or you can have actual cash value, which is that property or that damage is depreciated. We see a lot of, I would say, concern or complaints probably from clients that are having claims that have elected that. So when you have that claim and you have actual cash value, it can be frustrating because then that roof is depreciated. You're not going to get the replacement cost to actually replace it in today's dollars. And we just got done saying that it costs more money to replace things.
And you're going to be reaping the rewards of that with policy payments because you're going to be saving some money on the policy.
Correct. That's right.
But you're exposing yourself.
That's right.
Yeah.
Which is again back to the trade-offs that we were talking about, right? So if you're willing to not have as much coverage or as robust coverage, you can definitely save some money. But you got to put yourself in that situation where if I have a claim, what is that going to mean to me, right? Is that going to mean I'm going to get 20% less, right? 30% less for the replacement, and I'm going to just have to get a cash payment, right? And I'm out. So it is a trade-off, right? It is a trade-off with the premium. That is exactly correct.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home